It's hard out here, y'all. It's hard. I woke up feeling sick as a dog. Probably all that open window cruising down in Texas got to me, even though the weather was nice. Clearly not that nice. And I don't know, I drove late last night and I delivered today. And yeah, I've been sitting here, no load. I'm in Canton, Mississippi, and yeah, ain't really nothing out of here. I need to go clean out my windshield and stuff. Been filthy. Drove quite a bit of miles yesterday, like 700 or something. Those speed limits in Texas being 75 definitely help out. And the load I pulled was 3 pallets, 1,500 pounds. So definitely helps out. But like I said, right now I'm in Canton, Mississippi, and I've been trying to find a load, man. Ain't nothing. So I'm like 450 miles away from home, and I ain't gonna head on somewhere else just to stay on the road and hope there's a load, especially not throughout the weekend, man. So I'm just gonna head on towards like Memphis. There's some load out of Cape Girardeau, which is like a 350 deadhead, but it's on the way home, so it's whatever. I'm gonna get over there, but yeah, like tonight I'm just gonna head on up towards Memphis, because these Mississippi and Alabama loads are terrible. Nah, all loads are terrible, and I'm feeling sick as hell, man. The weather is nice, but I feel like crap. Just gonna go home and then get some stuff done at home. I need to do my oil change and whatnot. So we'll see, guys. I'm not even sure. It's like, you know, yesterday the load I pulled out of Texas was pretty good, solid load. The 2 loads before that were not good. You know, it gets going good a little bit, and then it's like boom, no loads, trash. So it's difficult out here just surviving. You know, everybody's saying we needed this, we needed that, but in reality everybody means everybody else should do this, so it gets better for me. Like, I don't know, it's hard. That's an interesting trailer. It's got like ridges going this way, definitely makes the trailer stronger. And then like the metal thing on the bottom is like damn 1.5 feet, like 15 inches. I saw some of them lift axle trailers. They're sick. It just pays so much for something like lift axle. So much extra is like, in my mind, is not really worth it, because you know you're paying freaking 10 grand extra or whatever the hell for that, but your tires cost like $300-400 a pop. You know. And it's like, how often do you even really raise your axle? But yeah, I don't know, guys. Yeah, we're gonna stay here for a little bit longer, and then I'm just gonna start heading up there. Ain't really much else to it. Keep y'all posted. I swear to God, man, these days they just let anybody be a trainer. People drive for damn 5 months and they could be a trainer at a company. That's just crazy. I've been driving 5 years and I ain't qualified to be no damn trainer. One time I saw 2 guys. One of them was outside, one of them was parking the truck, obviously, and they still managed to hit a truck. It's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna head on out now. Ain't no point in waiting, man. Sitting around don't make no money. I either move to a better area or I just move for free. It is what it is. Sitting in one place, I don't make no money. It's crazy. Let's shut off our generator. Man, it's hot out here. Why you yelling at him, bro? Thing is, man, you just gotta have patience for that stuff, and I just don't. So like, I'd never be a trainer. It is what it is. It just ain't for everybody. All right, pull up. See what's up. It's like damn near 80 degrees here probably. I'll tell you right now. Canton, Mississippi, 77 degrees. It's literally hotter here than it was in Texas. Texas was 70. I'm gonna just head up on towards Memphis and see where that takes us, honestly.
Head north on Commercial Parkway toward Feather Lane. In 600 feet, turn right onto West Peace Street.
Man, it's hot as hell out. I guess I could have my window open. Let me check something out real quick.
Turn right onto West Peace Street.
Time waits on no man. Don't think I ever been this deep in Mississippi. But then again, I've been to Louisiana once before, so I had to have been in Mississippi. This is swimming weather.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto the I-55 North ramp to Grenada.
At least the weather is nice.
Turn left onto the I-55 North ramp.
Yeah, I cleaned my window, but they not cleaned that good. It's just hard to get those bugs off. I'll try to wash my truck probably tomorrow. Probably not, I'm lying. I'm not washing my truck. I ain't got money for that. I already washed it once this week. I'm gonna hop on out of Memphis a little bit and post up somewhere up there in case I don't get this one load. Then I can come back down to Memphis if there's something from Memphis. If not, it is what it is. Roll on up home. Been deadheading so much, man. I stopped counting. Last week I deadheaded like $450. A week before that, when they put a hole in my trailer and some other reasons, was like, damn, $600. Man, I mean, you can only deadhead so often, you know? You can't deadhead always.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-55 North. Continue on I-55 North for 178 miles.
I don't think there's much else to really talk about. We're just gonna call it a day with this one and keep on rolling home. Catch you on the next one. Peace.